morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Captain Carlo Di Matteo, delighted to welcome everyone on board Philippine Airlines.
Mabuhay! The recent years brought us to paths that were new and challenging. During these trying times, flying to the nation's aid became our priority.
Actually, nung pandemic, daming nalungkot, daming nawala ng trabaho, and napakahirap para sa lahat.
Karamihan ay hirap sumakay, hirap bumiyahe. Nandito ang suporta ng Philippine Airlines.
We all had to make sacrifices during the pandemic. Nandito pa rin tayo, nakatayo. And we're still pulling through. Makes me proud to be a Filipino.
Never for a moment did you make us feel alone as we were carefully maneuvering in this journey towards clearer skies. With the steady reopening of travel and tourism, we are now on our way towards full recovery. And as we are getting there, please allow us to thank you for staying the course with us.
Your sincere support enabled us to get back on the path of innovation and improvements that will make your travels with the national flag carrier even more delightful.
Prepare to reach and explore new destinations.
More and upgraded planes are on the horizon.
Our best yet in-flight experience is now in the works.
Flying with us will be easier as we upgrade our systems.
Step into a new world-class lounge soon.
This is all for you because you supported us in wonderful ways. Salamat po.
Salamat po!
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po sa tiwala.
Masaya kaming maging kasama niyo muli sa inyong paglalakbay.
Thank you for including us in your travel moments and meaningful journeys.
On behalf of Philippine Airlines, Asia's first, it will always be a pleasure flying with you.